If you've ever been live, talking to your chat, and it feels like they're replying to a version of you from a minute ago, I get it. That's genuinely annoying. Let me actually explain what's happening, straight from YouTube's own explanation, then show you what you can actually control. YouTube itself describes it like this. With lower latency, viewers are more likely to notice the small gap between what your camera captures and what actually plays on their screen. Basically, some delay is normal. It's built into how live streaming works everywhere, not just YouTube. The real question isn't how do I remove delay completely? It's how do I control the parts I actually have access to? And that's what I want to show you, live, from my own OBS. Open OBS, go to File, then Settings, then Advanced, right here. Stream delay. Mine's showing 20 seconds, but here's the part that trips people up. This setting doesn't fix lag, it adds it on purpose. It's meant for people who want a buffer before their stream airs, so they can catch a mistake before viewers see it. If you're trying to make your stream feel faster, leave this switched off. Don't touch it. Now click Output instead. See video bitrate. Mine's at 6000. If you're streaming in 1080p, keeping it somewhere between 4500 and 6000 is usually the sweet spot. Push it higher than your internet can actually handle, and that's when your stream starts stuttering and lagging behind for real. Now, YouTube also has its own latency setting on their end. Normal, low, ultra low. It's meant to control exactly this kind of delay too. But depending on your account, it might not show up the same way for everyone. So I'm keeping this video focused on what you and I can both actually open and control right now. OBS. So the two real things in your hands are this. Don't accidentally enable stream delay thinking it helps, and keep your bitrate matched to what your internet can actually carry. That's what actually changes how connected your stream feels. If this cleared things up for you, subscribe, and tell me in the comments what bitrate you're currently streaming at. It has always been Daniel. I will see you in the next one.